Ka Oral History Association of India kala Pynlong ya ka Jingialang Halor ka Mountain History at the intersection of memory, politics and identity hinne ka sngi ha Nehu. Ka jingtumu jong ka ne ka Jingialang ka long ban wat jingtip ha ka bay day bat ki khana ki kolshor jong ka ri India ya ki balaklet no da ki jaj bin rew lom. Haba ajing kren ha gani kasngi u menteri ketenat pule putih u rakam e sangma ulapan pau ke jings ngokumen banya don bentalang ha kani ke Jingialang ha ka baula benrap da ka boong baki brio ke bedon ha kani ke slaper thai kila banwat jingtip na ka benta ka lawe kani ke Jingialang ka long banwat jingtip ye ki lom ki wa ki kolshor ki rukum em bat ki rukom sinsha da ki jaj ben rew lom.
Ini kuya that way.
We thought that, academicians today don't go to. It's about immense
request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly
Ini kuya that way.
Department of Journalism and Mass Communication.
In northeast, the mountains and the hills and the strength, the flora and the fauna. Who will discover? Therefore, today, it's my request to all academicians, research scholars, like all the scientists and the philosophers. I think here, we are here not to invent only, but we are here to discover first. There are many what you call human speaking language, dialogue. They existed, spoken by the human beings, many tribes, has already been